Well, we're digging out today, or at least trying. Sadie says, I've got my bumper. Let's go swimming. Later on this week, sister. You digging like you're at the beach? Find it. Find it. Get it. Find it. Sadie B says, I'll just dig in the snow. Blizzard says, let me help. Get it, Blizzard. Get it. Get it. Oh, that stuff is cold. Got it, Sadie? Get it. Loosen that snow up for Mommy so she doesn't have to work so hard. Look at that face. Oh my goodness, what a good time we're having. Okay. Playing with the bumper. Okay, I gotta get back to work.